Today we're going to learn how to wash some dishes. This is Lucy. Lucy will wash the dishes. This is a sink. This is where you wash the dishes. This you can find in the kitchen. First, she makes sure the sink is clean. So there are no dishes. There's no food. What will she do next? What do you think she's going to do next? What is she looking at here? Lucy puts the plug in the sink. There's this plug right here that you put in the sink that holds water, makes the water stay there. Now, what will she do? Lucy will put something in the water. What will she put in the water? You see here? She filled it up with water. Now she's thinking about what she's going to do with it. What do you think she should do with it? Lucy puts all the dishes in the sink. Here you have dish soap. It looks like she put a couple drops in here and it made some suds. She needs to scrub the dishes. What will she use to scrub the dishes? If you've ever done dishes, what have you used to wash the dishes? That's right, a scrub, sponge. Lucy rinses the dishes off. Where will she put them? Where's she going to put these dishes? Well, there's a couple of places you can put them depending on what you have. Lucy has a rack that she can put dishes in so in order to keep them or have them get dry. All the water comes off of them when they're in racks. Lucy wants to put the dishes away. What can she use to dry the dishes? Well, let's see what she has. This looks like some kind of cloth. The dishes are clean. Where should Lucy put the dishes? Well, here looks like she dried. Here they looked organized. It looks like she put the dishes in the cabinet. So once you dry the dishes, you put them up. Okay, here we have a dish rack, just like we saw up here, right here. Then the dish towel, which is this right here. The cupboard. This is a cupboard. Turn on warm water. So she turned on the faucet with warm water. There's the soap. She put the plug in the sink, and a washcloth is right here, just in case she needs to dry her hands. So this is something that you're going to do every time you wash dishes. The more you do it, the better that you will get doing it, and the faster you'll get. More practice makes better.